knows ChatGPT. And a lot of people know that you can make games and code with them. But which AI is the best? Is it still ChatGPT? Is it something a little strange like Canva code? Or is Copilot really the best? Today we're going to be looking at that by comparing them and seeing how well they do at different challenges and tasks. Now, obviously, there are a lot of different types of different AIs, so we are going to be choosing from just 3 that I have seen to be really good at coding and making video games. These are Canva Code, or Canva AI. It's been a little strange with the way they've been naming it. ChatGPT, of course, and Copilot, GitHub's Copilot, not Microsoft's Copilot, because they kind of suck. The 3 different things that they're going to have to do here, I've chosen, is one, they're going to have to practice how diverse and smart they are in different fields by making them create their own AI using deep reinforced learning, and then they're going to see how good they are when it comes to making 3D games. So they're going to make a 3D game that I will talk about more in a second, and then they will make a 2D platformer game. These are really good games that can really show off how good they are at making video games and coding and programming in different ways. So these are the things that we're going to ask each of the AIs to make, and then once they have given us their answer, or their answer, then we will look back at it, judge to see which one is best, and see which one did the best in all categories, and then we can see who won. I said I wanted to talk more about the 3D game. And the reason is that all of these AIs will have to make their games in HTML code for one reason. For multiple reasons, actually. One, because it's really easy for me to run and record. So that's one of the reasons. 2, Canva code can only do HTML code, but it's still really good at coding, so it's unfair to exclude it just for that. And all of them can do HTML coding, so it's the best way to show off their skills in a way that they all can. Okay, let's get to it. So the first prompt that we're going to be using is this one here. Using deep reinforced learning, make an HTML game. This should give them a lot of freedom to show off their creativity as well, and they will all be able to understand this, hopefully. So this is what we're going to use. We're just going to copy and paste this into all of our AIs. Then we'll see what they give us back, and then we'll look at that, and then we can move on to the other ones to see who wins. Okay. So looking at ChatGPT first, we're gonna see what they make. So they're using. Okay, I see. So they're not using real neural network, obviously, because that would be too hard for it to do. So it's a game concept. Oh, so I see. It's not us moving it. It's the agent is this little paddle here. Sorry, the agent is this little paddle here, and it's trying to catch the block. So it's learning what is the best way to catch this block, and it's not doing a very good job. As you can see, obviously, this is going to take many episodes. Episodes are every time it fails. So yeah, it's definitely going to take many episodes. It's already got a score of 2, but that was probably just by sheer chance. I've noticed that they haven't really made it like to explore, which is pretty crucial in this kind of learning. So it's kind of just hugging the left wall because it's too scared to do anything else, which isn't very good. So, yep, that's ChatGPT for their first game. We're gonna look at the other AI, which we're gonna start with Canva AI. Okay, so Copilot here had a little bit of issues. Okay. Train. Let play. I've noticed they've all made paddle games like this, so I'm interested to see what Canva ends up doing. So as you can see, it's actually pretty smart already. Okay, so that's Copilot. Alright, next up here we have Canva Code, and they have made their Grid World Reinforcement Learning game. Okay, so start training. Ah, so it's like a maze. I can see how it's definitely, good at exploring. I'm not sure what exactly makes it restart, like go to a second episode. I do not know how that is happening. Maybe it's time based. I don't know. But they're trying to get to this green circle here. I mean square here. So if they get there, I'm sure they'll be rewarded. Currently they have not touched it. Maybe we can change the exploration rate, learning rate, training speed. I've noticed that it's not actually exploring that much. It's kind of staying close, so we should actually turn that exploration rate up. Wow, it is really not exploring. Oh, there we go, it did it. Okay, now we're gonna try and turn down the exploration rate. Anyway, so it looks beautiful. It works really well. Like you can see that it's definitely getting better. Yes, this is great. Much better than any of the other contestants we've really seen bring forward. So, really happy with Canva. Yeah. Okay, so for the next one, we're going to do 3D games. I'm going to use a prompt from Canva Code's own website. Now, this seems unfair, but it's actually not, because their prompts that they have on their website aren't actually perfectly made for their AI. So this should work in a similar way with all the other AIs. So, these should be much quicker to review than the last one because we don't have to wait to see how much they learn, how good they learn. So for this, all we have to do is just look at it, see how good it is, play around a little bit with it, move on to the next one. Okay, let's go. So first up, we have ChatGPT, and it doesn't work. If those are buttons, they also don't work. And we're gonna try and fix it, see what happens. But this isn't going very well for them. Let's try again. Yep, nope, just a blank screen. Well, everyone, it isn't looking very good for ChatGPT so far. Just saying. Okay, yep, that's it. See, I told you it'd be quick. Okay, we have Copilot and ooh, it's just a menu. This isn't looking very good, everyone. Looks like AI isn't going to be taking over 3D game developers' jobs yet. Well, actually, they're really far away. Like, all they have is black screens. At least I can make a 3D game. Anyway, so, yep, Copilot obviously isn't gonna win this. Maybe Canva Code can win? And here is Canva. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is crazy. Oh, wait. So I'm on Earth. Wow, and it even tells me about it. About the moon. Oh, wow. It tells me everything. Okay, reset view. Mars? Ah, this is... Wow, this is a big step up. Okay. Dang, right? Oh, we even have the sun, too? Well, this is a little... I guess Canva won that round. Okay, here we have ChatGPT. We've moved on to the platformer one. The prompt I used was make the best platformer game you can in HTML. Okay, edit. Oh, let's preview that. Oh my goodness. Wow, so polished. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, I can jump through the platforms. How beautiful. How beautiful. Oh, and I can't move anymore. Wow, great job, ChatGPT, for claiming to be so smart. Look, I asked ChatGPT, which is better, ChatGPT, Canva Code or Copilot, and it was like, oh, ChatGPT's really good. No, it's not. It's really not though. Hello everyone. Today we're reviewing this piece of garbage that Copilot made. What is this? What is this? I'm like in the floor. I'm the same color as the coins. These are apparently spikes, and the you died screen doesn't even last for a frame. Like, I can't jump up there. It is impossible to beat this. Like, come on. What is this? Okay, here's Canva. Canva. What the? Oh, come on. Canva, please. Like, nice graphics, but it doesn't really work. Okay, well, you saw the video. You saw what happened. I think it's only fair to say that Canva won. Yeah, it won. It did the AI pretty well. The AI did the AI great. It made the space game awesome and educational. And meanwhile, all the other teams made like blank screens or pieces of garbage. It only kind of failed in the last one because it didn't have any collisions on the ground. Other than that, Canva did really well. And it did the most lines of code out of any of them. So, yeah. Anyway, I guess Canva code's the best. I really wanted to come out saying that Copilot or like ChatGPT was the best. I really did not want Canva to still be the one that I always use. Well, this is very disappointing, but Canva won. Go out and use Canva code. It's free. Just search it. It's good. Go make some cool game.